All right, we're here again, reviewing Bitcoin. And as we see, we had a lot of price movement yesterday. Just looking at this, just looking at the wick of this candle here, it just shows us how much price moved in that one day. So it went from 99 to 109. So a lot of price movement with Bitcoin yesterday. Yesterday was the president's inauguration. So we had, quite a bit of movement in the markets. Um, just looking at things overall, we're still looking bullish for Bitcoin. I'll honestly be looking for Bitcoin to get under, this solid level here of 99. If we get under 99, then I'll be looking to see, what price is doing. But overall, still bullish because, we're above this bullish, this bearish trend line. Price broke above, came back to retest, and we're still pushing up currently. So as always, like I said, we just view what it's doing on a monthly. Price just, bullish. Go lay down. Price is still bullish. Same thing here on the weekly. Price is still in this range here. We did get above this high of 108. However, we didn't close above and actually rejecting. So still could be within this range of the high of 108, 109 currently now, and about 90. So currently still in that range. So let's jump down to our daily and just see what price is doing. Like I said, we was rejecting here, rejecting. We actually broke this trend line, came back and retested this area for the buy again. That's what we got a lot of price action movement at. And price is currently pushing up now. We had this fill up here, impulse. Let's see, actually, it probably would be here. Impulse, the correction 38.2. Price made a higher high relative to the previous high, and we made a higher low. So could be an indication that price is still pushing up. Could still be a fair value for Bitcoin. Currently around this 100 mark, we're still holding above it. So let's jump down to our 1 hour. Let's try to clean some of this up a bit. It's pretty much clean because a lot of people have, way more on their charts, but we can clean up a little better. Let's see. Resistance, break above support. So this is a significant area for significant area as well. All these are pretty much significant areas. One thing I would do is probably change this. Let's actually just leave it how it is. But jumping down to our 1 hour here, we see, like I said, price making that higher low here, making that higher low here, made a higher high. So price could still be pushing up. Overall, still bullish on Bitcoin. Currently breaking above and closing above this high. We still have what we did breaking close on that previous hour candle. So still pushing up. So could allow it to continue, possibly, enter into some more positions, or maybe wait to a retest of this price here before you actually decide to buy. But overall, Bitcoin still looking bullish. Price still looking good. Let's actually move on to the next one. XRP. I like XRP right now. Cause we still, and just like yesterday, just like the previous asset we was looking at, Bitcoin, we see that yesterday was the inauguration, so price had a lot of momentum here, a lot of movement in it. However, price is still holding above this support here. You see we had some resistance. Price broke above, came back and found support. And now, we holding it as support now. So this is a key area we'll be watching for. Price get under, we'll be looking for some type of selling on XRP. However, its price is holding above it, we can look to continue to take this trade on up. So look at the monthly. We see that we are still bullish. Let's jump down to our weekly. We see we closed above that previous week, closed above here, and we actually are above the area, which what we saw on the daily. This is what we're just viewing on the daily. We see we had the break retest, price pushed up. This is a bullish candle. This candle here is currently bullish. So price is pretty much trading within a range now. So this is the support and this is the resistance now. I know I got it all the way up here, but I can do it like this. And we see that's the resistance. Resistance. Let's see daily. Yeah, so we see this as resistance here. Let's see, I had a fill here, impulse, correction, continuation, -27. Reached -27, came back to our zero, holding the support. And I drew a new field from right here, which is our impulse, our correction, 38.2. Price pushed up. So we'll just see how true that holds. But for right now, I'm actually going to remove it. If price begins to buy above, of course, we can just throw it back on. But this is the current field that is it reached our -27, came back to the zero, holding the support. So I had this here, I had that here. There's no breaker structures. There's that. Let's actually remove this one. Let's see. Resistance, broke above, support, broke through it, trading through it, resistance. So currently under this like medium area for XRP. This is more of right here. And if I want to get it more narrow, we could do something like this. Resistance, break above, support, broke under, above it, trading through it, above it, trading through it, currently trading through this area. Like I said, this is like a medium area for XRP, so like I said, currently trading within this range. We would like to see if XRP get back down here to like 29, 2.9, there'll be a good opportunity to be looking for a buy on XRP, especially when we start to wick up like this, showing some nice bullish momentum. Yeah, there'll be a nice catch. Let's see. If I place the field here, you get impulse, correction. Or even if I put it here, impulse, correction, 61.8, -61.8. Price push up, and it's right again, impulse, Let the field impulse correction 50, maybe 27. Yeah, so we probably be looking for this area of interest for more buys on XRP. So we're actually gonna throw an alert on it right here. So we're boxing in price. We got this high, we got this low. Area of interest for buying, and we got this alert up here. Just let us know that we are crossing those all-time highs for XRP. Yeah, not really much for us to look at because we're coming from an investor perspective. If it was more of a trader perspective, we'll be looking, okay, we get this area, we see like some sales signals, we can take it down, trade it down. If we break above, we get some buying signals, we can take it up. But since we're coming from more of a long-term investor, it'll be more. I have more interest in purchasing or getting into a position down here than right here because we are at a medium area. But if this area was to break above, come back and retest, then it'll be like, okay, that's a fair price now because we got this low, this higher low, and this would be a new higher low. So it'll be a good area of entry. But price continue down, it'll be a much better one. And even at this high, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, how you gonna buy at the high? But that's a different strategy. I usually just do those two, but since I'm going through it so quick, we can go through these other pairs that I have. You see this alert been going off. Trade through these higher lows. Support, trading through support, impulse. Support. Looking good. Still home support. We did break this trend line. Have yet to. I just say we broke. This is a level of support. Got under it. Now we're trading above it. Higher highs, higher lows. We currently did break this low here with this lower high here and this lower low here. But just following this trend here, we got impulse correction. So overall, still bullish. So we'll just have to see how price. We see we're getting alerts here, so price could. We'll just have to see price getting above this area. Actually, that's what I'm trying to say. We'll just have to see price get above this area. Because you have to have an eye for it. Impulse correction 7.6, 6.8. And that's that high right here. So could be seeing price do something like that. Follow the trend, we'll be looking for something like that. Post correction, attenuation. And like I said, we really just react off price, not just too much predict. But if I was to make a prediction, this is something that I'll be looking to see on this. Will tell us otherwise if we make another low, lower low. But it still could be valid if price get here. Find support at this area, support at this trend line, and that'll just be like a double bottom, so impulse correction. Let a high equal lows and price pushing up. But we'll just be patient with it, just see what price does. You see we got those alerts going off for us, so it's letting us know. And another thing we can do is add this here. Because when price break above, we want to know. And just like we could get a retest, break above retest. Let's actually change that to here. We got that trend line pushing up. So yeah, we'll be watching this trend line here. Pulse, direction, 50, find support. Currently negative 27. Looking good. And right here could be a nice area of interest for more buying. Price, continue up. Come back, find support here. Okay, interesting. So we see that this U.S. oil bars pattern that I had here, break impulse and continuation. Break correction, impulse correction, continuation. It did play out, pull back to the trend line again, and actually, continue to sell under. You could have got an entry here, continue to trade down. So this really, so a few things happened with this. During the inauguration, the president was speaking about how they would just be digging more for oil. And of course, when you have more of something, the value goes down. So we can see oil prices going down, gas prices going down. Just because, once they start drilling more, it'll be a more abundance and accumulation of oil, which drives the prices down lower. It feels less oil, price will be higher because there'll be a higher demand for it. But since you have almost like a surplus of it, a lot of it, we see price continue to sell. So going forward, if we jump out right quick, we see we have this trend line here. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Price did break above, came back to this area, found resistance, and has been selling since. Actually, for consecutive days, 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive days, been selling. And we actually broke this trend line here, so we should be looking for some sales on oil based off the trend as well, and also with say it reach our negative 6.8, which is our reversal area. So the price is going down there. This video is a little different. It's much quicker, which is okay with me. But, as always, it's good that you showed up for yourself. So give yourself a pat on the back. Thank yourself.